Hi guys, I am back with another review. Today I'll be reviewing the new Fenty Skin products. So let's get right into it. So I only bought two of the products. I bought the Fenty Skin Fat Water, and then I also bought the Fenty Skin Moisturizer with SPF. So the fat water, let's just get into the packaging. I do like her packaging. Like, she really thought about, reusing things and just buying like a refill. So first, let me just start off with the fat water. This is a pore refining toner serum. So after you cleanse, I didn't buy the cleanser because I felt like, based off of other reviews, the cleanser was more like a makeup remover. And if you were using it as that plus a cleanser, you had to use it twice. I don't want to work twice when I'm cleaning off my face. So right now, I've already cleansed my face with my cleanser that I use on a daily basis. So now I'm just going to use the toner, which is the fat water. This is supposed to instantly refine the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fight shine without stripping the skin. So directions: you use day and night on clean skin. Apply over the face with your fingers. I will say a pro to her fat water is that you don't need a cotton pad or a cotton round to use with her toner. You're literally going to use your hand to go ahead and massage it into the skin. So yeah, so this is how you open it. Go ahead and click it, and then I'm just going to pour a little bit into my hand. You don't really need a lot. I kind of rub it in. And kind of just pat it into your skin. Make sure you get your neck. And there you have the toner. Next, I'm going to talk about the moisturizer. So the moisturizer, you have an insert, which is basically, you would twist the bottom of this to open and close. So this insert actually comes out. I'm not going to deconstruct this right now, but since we're getting ready to use it, I went ahead and opened it up. Now this is, I don't know how much her refill is going for, but the moisturizer was, I believe, $32 or $33. The toner, I think, was maybe $28 or somewhere around there. Don't quote me. But I like the fact that, I like her packaging. Like, I like the fact that you could just buy a replacement, a cartridge, and just slide it in here. You don't have to buy an entirely new unit. And I like that. Fenty, like Rihanna, you really did your thing with coming up with a good packaging for this. So with the moisturizer, the uses is to help prevent sunburn. Let's see, you'll apply 15 minutes before sun exposure. If you're going to be out in the water or so, you do need to use a water resistant sunscreen when you're swimming and stuff or sweating. So it's not waterproof. That's one of the downsides. One of the cons to the moisturizer is that it's not waterproof. It's not water resistant. You'll reapply at least every 2 hours. And yeah. It's also proclaimed to have light as air hydration, invisible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the looks of pores, and it's all free. What I would say is that if you are sensitive to scents, or you don't really like products with a scent to it, then this might not be the product for you. I don't have a problem with scented products. I mean, it actually smells kind of good, so I don't really mind at all. So I'm just going to pump in my hand. That much. Rub it and place it all over my skin. Oops, kind of got one in my edges. So as you could see, it instantly provided hydration to my skin. I didn't put on any other moisturizer. I didn't use anything else on my skin. So you could definitely see it gives a little bit of like a sheen. That's the hydration. I've been using this for the past 3 days, and I like it so far. I mean, I don't know if you're supposed to see a big difference within just a few days. It's not like I've been trying it for weeks now, but I will definitely update you once I've tried it for about a week or two and see if there's any real difference in my skin. I will say that my skin is brightened instantly. Like, I mean, I have that nice sheen to my skin, which makes it look more healthy. It's not dull. So I would definitely say that it does help brighten. So far, I like what I'm using, and yeah. There's not much to really say. You know, it proclaims to do all these things of, you know, pores. I don't really have too many pores. If anything, I'll probably have it along right here in my cheek area, or my inner part of my cheeks. You'll see some pores here, but I don't really have too much of that. My thing is more of the discoloration and the pigmentation on certain areas of my face. So I'll definitely keep track of that and see if this is kind of reduced with it, because the toner is supposed to help with the fading of dark spots, or the reduction of the look of dark spots. So we'll see how it plays out. I'll definitely keep track of this area to see if that really helps. But again, if you are sensitive to scents or fragrance, this isn't the product for you. If you're looking for something that has SPF in it and a moisturizer, I would definitely recommend to try this out. Again, as it states, if you're going to be out in the sun, you do have to reapply it every 2 hours. I mean, a lot of times, a lot of us forget about that. I know I do. I don't reapply my sunblock every 2 hours. Once I put it on, I'm kind of like, all right, I'm done. But that's not the case. That's not how you're supposed to use it. Now, if you are wanting it for swimming or something like that, again, this isn't the product for that. It's not water resistant. It's not waterproof. So it has its pros and it has its cons. I mean, it's definitely worth a shot and giving it a try if you're looking for new skincare. So I hope this review helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. I do also have a review for Juvia's Place, the new lipstick, lip glosses, and lip liner that you could check out as well. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope to see you next time.